Hello बच्चों, today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 3.1. Firstly, before solving this question, let us try to understand this question. Firstly, examine the table. Okay, firstly you have been asked to examine the table. First thing is where we will examine this table, and each figure is divided into triangle. Okay, whatever the figure it has been here, it has been given, that figure has been divided into triangle, and the sum of the angles deduced from that. Okay, now what is this question about? This question is about that if the number of sides of figure is given, then how you will tell that the angle sum of that figure will be what. Okay, so let us start. Here you can see that this is triangle. Okay, and how many sides do triangle have? Because triangle by name, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, and you already know that the sum of these three angles 1, 2, 3 is 180. Okay, and if let me see this figure now. Here you can say this is a quadrilateral. Because why this is quadrilateral? Because you can see that there is 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and when I draw this line here, then you can see that there are two triangles. First one is this and second one is this. Okay, again you can what you can conclude from here, we know that the angle sum of any triangle is 180, and here you can see that there are two triangles, therefore the sum will be 2 into 180, right? And here what is the relation between 4 and 2? Here you can see that when we subtract 2 from 4, that means 2 from number of sides, we got the same result. Okay, now let us see this one. This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there, and when I draw these two lines, there will be 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, so angle sum of one triangle will be 180, because there are three triangles, therefore the total angle sum of this figure will be 3 into 180. And what is the relation? Again you can see that 3 can be got by subtracting 2 from this side. Okay, again let us see one more figure. Here you can say this is a hexagon because there are 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and when I draw these lines here, then I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles can be formed. And again, if the angle sum of one triangle is 180, the angle sum of 4 triangles will be 4 into 180. And what is the relationship you can find between sides? You can see from this table, or you can conclude from this table, if you subtract the 2 from number of sides and multiply them by 180, we will find the angle sum of any figure. Okay, so just by here we have drawn the triangle, but we don't need to draw the triangle every time. That means this is a general thing, that if we subtract 2 from any number of sides from a figure and multiply that by 180, we will get the angle sum of that figure. Okay, so I hope that you have understood it well. And now the question in your book is that what can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with number of sides? Okay, how? Now here the number of sides are 7, and what we have concluded, that if I subtract 2 from the number of sides and multiply that by 180 degree, I'll get the angle sum of the figure having 7 sides. So that will be equal to what? 7 minus 2 will be 18. So I'll get 900 degree. Okay, so the angle sum of the figure having 7 sides will be 900 degree. Okay, now if there are 8 sides, then again the same, you have to subtract 2 from the number of sides given and multiply the result by 180. So 8 minus 2 is 6 into 18, 180, sorry, not 18, and zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, carry 4, and 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 1080 degree. So the angle sum of the figure having 8 sides will have what? Angle sum 1080 degree. Now if the sides are 10, again it's very simple. You'll firstly subtract 2 from the number of sides and multiply them by 180 degree, and you'll get what? 8 into 180, and multiply this. When I multiply this further, zeros will be 0. 8 8s are 64, carry 6. 8 1s are 8 plus 6 will be 14. So the angle sum will be this 1440. And now if there are n sides, the general formula will be, you will subtract 2 from the number of sides, and here the number of sides are n. Okay, so n minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. Okay, but you can take any value of n here, any positive value of n. So in this way you can solve this question, or you can see that we can find the angle sum of any figure if the sides are given by this general formula, number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180.